Hi guys, my name is Maya.
And she wants to show you her marble run track.
Yay!
Whee! Okay, so for this video, she's just going to be showing you how it works. So, Amaya, if you may start it. Okay, Matt, put a marble in. So the marble goes there, and it goes here. Then it goes into there. And she built this herself too. So, Maya, right? You built this? And then it goes there. And then it goes there. Maya, let's show them what happens when there's a lot. Guys, look, I'm going to put in a lot. So you guys ready? Look at how crazy it is. Just like that. Oh. Maya, you almost done? Yeah? Well, Maya, it's pretty full, I guess, now. Okay. Let's empty some. Okay, Maya, don't put any more in yet. Huh? You have to empty them. Because she put a lot. A lot. Okay, Maya, grab some. Now we're going to do a race. Okay, it's going to be slime versus flour. Okay, Maya, no, put these ones in. Put these ones in. Right here. Right here. Not those ones. These ones. Right here. Put these ones in. Ready? 3, 2, 1. What? Okay, well, bye, guys. Amaya, say bye to everyone.
Bye.
Say, Amaya, say like the video.
I like the video.
Okay, well, bye. That was my sister's marble run. Hope you like it.